One of the things we love at the House of Banstead is our Luminaire game. We ensure that we use our Luminaire light fixtures to create drama and to give like a context. And it's structure. It's a structural piece. It basically replaces like a sculpture. So it's something we take seriously. We look for the nicest, most functional, the most economical ways for you to use luminaire within your space to such a level that it creates, just a feel of more high impact, as we call it. Here we have our dining set. It's a Chaos by Console, and it's a beautiful piece. And we teamed it with a bigger piece on the far end, the four scene, and it's something we're deliberate about. We do not just get basic. We go 100%. So one of the things we think about luminaire is sometimes you do organic, the rounder pieces, the more curvy pieces, or sometimes you do linear, which we opted for in this space. It goes with our linear shape, the fact that we're doing a darker, moody piece where it's rectangular. But what's beautiful about this luminaire is it comes in a family. It comes with the other one, which is huge. It's extra large for the space. But we felt like it was adequate for this space because it is ginormous in a double level, space. And that's what we try to do. One of the things we get told is how much of an impact it makes. It is impactful. It is simple in its installation because the light is a light, but it somehow sets the space. It gives it a zoning, it gives it structure, it gives it form. So my dining is here and it can't move because of that light. And that is powerful. And that's another way we do what we do at the House of Banstead. Just the strategy around creating things and putting in pieces that anchors you to your space. This anchors this dining to this space in a way where it's not, it's not weird, but it works. And then this Chaos piece, which is part of the Costco, the product line, goes into this super size, massive, commercial size luminaire, which we love. This is a structure in its own. It basically creates a situation where you have a sculpture, an art piece, an installation. It's a light, it's a luminaire, it's essential, but it is huge. It is actually huge for a residential, but we do that on purpose to create the drama without the drama, to create impact, conversation starters, just opportunistic in a way where it increases the value of the home just by anyone moving in here or coming in here. They see it and they're like, wow, it's like a hotel piece. It's something you see in commercial grade properties and it's a trick of the eye. And that's what we do at the House of Banstead. One of the things we also do with the luminaire is that we juxtapose curves with linears. This is called the Cursive by Costco, and it's something we love because typically people go with a linear feature when they're doing linear, huge rectangular center pieces like this. We went with curves, something just to soften it, but not lose the impact. It's still linear in form, but it has the curve in it. It's actually called cursive, like with the writing. And it's something that I love. It's just a trick on the words. And I really like that because it resonated with me in terms of how to use things that, might not seem like you should use, but you can use because they kind of they bring in two different elements. It's linear but curved at the same time. And I felt it was really suited with this massive, center piece, which is the anchor of our home. This luminaire is different, a little different to the cursive one we saw last time. And this one is right in front of the master, and it was chosen specifically for the linear forms. The fact that it lights up the space, it's a little angular. It shows a little bit of drama, and as we said, drama without the drama is what we do. It, again, is a beautiful piece. It's architectural, it's structural. It really gives different facets of light You know, as you can see, the LED lights come in different directions, and it's just a beautiful piece. And it's something that we love to source, and we just are intentional about how we source everything from the luminaire to the materiality for our clients. And now I'm going to take you into the master to see what's next. Our Luminaire game continues into the master bedroom, and we have curves, we have angular. I showed you parts where we went super linear. We also like to do organic pieces that everything looks structural. In the master bedroom, we opted for this, which is a little bit of both. It's not organic, it's not super linear, but it kind of just fits with the space. We're trying to make a statement with our lights and the fixtures we use, because it's just an easy way to add drama, to add value, to add a visual interest, because either way, you're going to buy lights for your space. Just make it go a little bit further in terms of what you're communicating to yourself and to everyone else who might want to buy your house. We love to give our clients what they want, whether it's a Luminaire game, it's spatial arrangements that work better for their families and their functionality, or just even giving high impact and high value. And it's what we do at the House of Banstead. It's what I do as an interior design strategist. We go all out for our clients in getting structure, custom pieces, making spatial arrangements with pre-construction and pre-design consultations with your architect to ensure that you get the house you deserve, the house you want, the house you didn't even know you needed. So that's what we do at the House of Banstead, and it's what we love to give our clients.